Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add your logo to your Shopify store. So maybe you're on your Shopify store and you're tired of seeing just your text of your store there on your Shopify store. Well, of course, today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to upload and add your logo to your Shopify store. Now, first step, of course, before we dive into things, I do want to mention, of course, if you don't already have a Shopify store, you go and check out that first link down below in the description. That's brendanvalesky.com/Shopify. It will take you right over to this page here where you can get started with a Shopify free trial. Once again, that's a Shopify free trial. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the tutorial. So of course, you're going to want to make sure that you are, again, logged in to your Shopify store. That is the first step. Next, you're going to want to make sure that, of course, you have actually created a logo. Now, there's a wide variety of different ways you could do this. You could do this from like Canva and utilize their logo templates. Shopify even has their own free logo maker. Of course, today's tutorial, I'm not me showing you how to create and design your logo, doing all the graphic design. That's up to you to decide, but let's just say you already have your logo made from whether it be a template or even Shopify's own Hatchful free logo maker. So go ahead, create your logo, pause the video if you don't already have that made. Then next, to actually go ahead and upload your logo, what you're going to do is come over to your Shopify store. Next, you're going to go ahead and select online store, and this will bring you over to the theme editor. Now, of course, currently I'm using the Dawn theme on Shopify. Depending on what theme you're using and what online store version you are on, this may look slightly differently, but for most of you watching, if you're brand new or you're just getting started with your Shopify store, it should be pretty straightforward. Next, you're going to come over here to the customize button. So this is a little gray customize button. You're going to click that button there. Now, this will take you into the theme editor. Once you're in the theme editor, next you're going to come over here to the left-hand side and click on theme settings. This is the little gear icon that will take you here to where you now see logo. You're going to click that drop down, and as you can see here, currently we just have the default logo, which is just our store name, text there, which is test store for tutorials 99. So you can go in and click edit your brand settings, which will take you into the store settings in your Shopify store. But we're just going to go ahead and click change here. This is where you can add the image and your logo directly into your Shopify store right here. So we click the change button. Now we're going to go ahead and click select image. Again, we don't already have an image in here. Now, I do have some images already uploaded to the Shopify store. We're going to actually go ahead and upload that brand new image. So once you have your logo made, whether it be, again, like from some of the services I mentioned in the video, or you already have it downloaded, as a PNG or something like that, then go ahead and drag that here. You're going to drop the image to upload it. It will then upload to your Shopify store. The file is now uploaded. Now, again, there's a wide variety of different types of image types. Could be JPEG, PNG, HVEC, a wide variety of different images that Shopify will allow you to use. Just decide which one you want as far as the highest quality. This is, again, just a test for tutorials. So this is where you select your image, you click done, and then it will add it to your Shopify store. As you can see right here, now you have your logo. We're going to go ahead. Now make sure you do this. Go up to the top right corner and click the save button. And then when we go to our store, as you can see, currently it has the old logo. We're going to go ahead and refresh this page here. And now, as you can see, the logo has been added to the Shopify store. So again, it is a pretty simple process to add this logo. Now, as you can see, currently, it's maybe a little bit small and kind of odd. So again, you're going to have to make sure in your graphic design editor, in your logo maker, that you're, just adjust things as to the sizing and look and feel that you want. If you do want to change it, all you have to do is go back to the theme settings, click the logo, click edit. If you want to edit some of that information there, you can edit the URL handle, the alt text, and add that there. That's just general image things. But if you do want to change it, maybe we're going to replace that with something else from the library. Let's go ahead and go with this little key icon. Now, this is currently what I'm using for my favicon on the store. So we're going to go ahead and just select that as the new logo, and you can see it will automatically update there. So it's very easy if you do want to edit things and change things. We'll be getting into a couple of the other logo settings that you could do in just a second here. We're going to go ahead and refresh that key icon there. And now, as you can see, now the framing and sizing of this logo definitely looks a lot nicer. Now, I would recommend probably having some logo text maybe in there for the name of your business or your brand instead of just the little, like here, it's just a key icon for the test store. But it's just fine. It's a test store, so whatever. Make sure just whatever you want. If you do want to have that white background, I recommend using like a PNG file. Then you should have nice clean logo when you're uploading it. Again, just use a logo maker or something like that, and you should be good to go. That's how you add your logo to your Shopify store. Now, in terms of other settings here, in the theme editor, you can also scroll down and edit a little bit of that here under the desktop logo width. So you can make it wider if you do want to adjust it on your Shopify store. As you can see, now it's a little bit bigger. Let's go all the way to the max at 300 pixels. Again, that's massive. You don't really probably want it that big, but if you do want to maybe go below the 90, I believe the 90 is like the default here, which I think is fine. If you do want to make it a little bit smaller, if you want to shrink your image of your logo, boom, that's how you make it a little smaller. We're going to go ahead and click save, and we're going to refresh that here. And as you can see, the logo is now a bit smaller. And now another benefit to shrinking your logo or maybe making it bigger or smaller is then that does free up some additional header space here for other collections or other information you want to display on your header on your Shopify store. That's just something else to keep in mind there in terms of the overall look and feel of your store is, again, you can then increase or shrink that header framing based on the logo. Now, in terms of other settings that you can do with your logo as well, again, this is just the simplest way to do it. You can go into the brand settings on your store. Again, it's not that necessary. Honestly, it depends just what you want to do. This is really the easiest way to go in to your Shopify store and upload your logo. Again, if you want to edit the width, that's how you do that there. If you want to also make sure that your branding and your logo is added to your favicon, I do have a whole separate tutorial for that, but you can do that right here as well. If you just want to upload your brand logo image here, you can just do that here under the favicon, and then that will change it on the tab setting of your Shopify store as well. So that's sort of another place you might want to make sure your logo is beyond just the primary logo section in your Shopify store. Now, this will appear on all your pages. So if you go down even to your coming soon page, for example, it will be then added here as well to that header. Just anywhere that you edit your logo, anywhere you show your logo, again, across your entire store, it will then be updated there. So guys, that's how you add your logo to your Shopify store. Pretty simple setup, pretty easy process. Again, you could just walk through free logo maker and then upload it right there in your theme settings. Just make sure you click save, and then you should be good to go. Now, again, guys, I do want to mention, if you, of course, don't already have a Shopify store, you can go and check out that first link down below in the description. That's brandonvalesky.com/Shopify. It will take you right over to this page here where you can get started with a Shopify free trial. Once again, that's a Shopify free trial. Guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.